Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, My Project Ideas. Today we are going to make a project on JavaScript whose name is Dynamic HTML Content Creator. Let's see the requirements. You require an IDE for running and compiling the source code. You require a text editor where you can write your code. Here we have used VS Code. You require an operating system, any operating system which allows you to run and execute your code, on which you can see the output basically. This project is based on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We require an index.html, index.js. This is HTML file, this is JavaScript file. We require a CSS file, and there will be a project folder for certain images. What we are going to do is, we are going to look at the code now. So here we have the index.html, we have the doctype HTML, the standard prototype, the language English. Then we have the character set, that is UTF-8. We have icon whose reference is favicon.png. We have the name, description, and content will be projects list. Then we have a link which will be related or linked to embedded to the style sheet whose reference is style.css. Then we have a scripts whose source is index.js, that is JavaScript. Then we have this title as projects, so the demo 1 or demo 4 and the project title basically. For the CSS, we have the body, where the background color is white. The section where we have given the relative percentage of the margin, that is margin left is 10%. Float is the characters would be floating. They will have a, you can call a symmetric visualization. The font family is selected as Arial. You can select anything as per your requirement. The font size is 14 pixel, color is black, and text alignment is left. For the image, you have the width to be 37%. The whole is considered as 100%, and the 37% of the total is the width. Margin bottom is 4, and border is 1 pixel, solid, and kind of grayish color. For the JS, we have a variable fs. Then we have a create HTML variable, web short, file hound, HTTP. These are all requirements which are written in the final handler, serve static, and serve. Then for the serve, we have the create server, under which we have the function which takes two parameters, request and response. Then the variable done is initialized with final handler, request and response. Then again the serve function has three parameters, request, research, and done. Then we have a server which takes the listen function with 8000 milliseconds as a parameter. Then we have the paths, a certain path which we need to follow to get into a particular HTML content. Then we have certain screenshots where the screen size has been defined, the width, the height of each screenshot which we are providing. We have already provided certain screenshots. So accordingly, for each function, we have a different element of the different screenshot. The screenshot has been saved, and the file hound is actually asynchronous. So we have the title as project index, the script as index.js. Script async function is true because this is asynchronous. Then the CSS will be linked to style.css, language is English, directory is archive1. Head, the meta name is description, content is projects list, body is body content, and favicon is favicon.png. The PNG is the format of the image which we are using here. JPG can also be used. There is a joint photographic experts group. Then we have the write file where we have the index.html and function. If there will be any error, that will be there then and there defined. For the images, we have certain image. You can see this is one image. This is one image. This is one image. So now let's move to the project and we'll see what does it have. Let me refresh. These are the projects in the folder. This is the demo 1. So this is the project. This is the demo, next demo. This is the next demo. This is the. So when you're creating on a particular URL link, a particular image has been defined. It's described. So I hope you understood the working of this project. For more interesting project ideas, stay tuned to our channel. Thank you everyone. Have a great day.